that was the brief demo without demo effects. Yeah, this is the same one. Okay? Okay. So, before we go into the customer references, I would like to briefly go into Secure Shell, because it's Secure Shell or SSH is a widely used acronym, but it stands for different things. First of all, it's a protocol standard that we have discussed today. Internet Engineering Task Force standard. So people refer to SSH as a protocol. It's also a product. So our security software solution, SSH Luncheon is a software product, which is also often referred to as SSH. To differentiate from the protocol, we call it SSH Luncheon. Edition means the product. So obviously SSH Luncheon is much more than just an implementation of secure software. And lastly, SSH also refers to our company, SSH Communications Security. We are the only company that is allowed to use SSH in the country. This is because the origin of SSH, origin of the protocol is with our company. Our founder and current board member, Mr. Tapi Ylönen, is the original developer of SSH. Mr. Ylönen actually started development of SSH protocol back in 1995 when he was a student in Helsinki University of Technology. And he was doing his, I believe, his master's thesis when he realized that when sending, when accessing the server in the university network from his terminal, his password and user ID was stolen. So he was actually affected by this problem. And he started to figure out why and what can be done about this. And soon he realized that there was nothing to be done. There was no remedy for this. And as he is a pretty clever guy, he decided to do something about it himself. And he created the first version of SSH protocol, the SSH version 1 protocol. He got very soon he got a lot of requests. So the workaround his initial software free of charge for his friends and colleagues in the university. And within a few months he realized that this is a really widespread problem and solution so he decided to set up a company around this solution. So that's how our company got started from his early university days. OpenSSH, which is widely known, widely available, also started at the same time and by the same man. So our founder actually released the original code to public domain so as to get it standardized by Internet Engineering Task Force. This is how SSH became a standard. Obviously, the code base for OpenSSH and SSH Luncheon has common origin, so they started from the same point back in 2000. Nowadays they have developed into very different directions. Nowadays OpenSSH is native in most operating systems, and SSH Luncheon is developed into an enterprise class solution for the reasons I've explained today. So all this automatic conversion, automatic FTP to SFTP translation, centralized management, this is not available in any of the OpenSSH flavors. OpenSSH is typically used for remote access of servers, the basic use case of So that's about our company. Well, today we are listed in Helsinki Stock Exchange. We are based out of Helsinki, Finland, and we have with offices in throughout Europe and in the US. And in regions like Asia Pacific, we are working with value partners, Quantiq being our key partner in the region. And about customers, we already saw some of these names. This is a selected list of customers that have allowed us to use their name and logo. Obviously, this is not exhaustive. We have a lot of customers who typically tend to say no when we ask their permission to use them as a reference. And this is very typical in information security. Most customers would like to not to disclose exact details of their security solutions for obvious reasons. So we are struggling a bit with this with the public company name. But as you can see already from this list, there are quite large companies, either financial institutions or other large enterprises. Financial institutions, financial sector has traditionally been our key market sector. And for this reason, almost 60% of Fortune Global 100 enterprises today use Tectia quite extensively. So very wide user base in the largest enterprises of the world. We have more than 55% of the top global 50 banks. So more than half of the biggest banks in the world use SSH Tectia. And not only on a few servers, but with an extensive deployment. So we are well based in this customer segment. Now I will run you through a few sales cases from recent time. So we have the biggest case, and as this customer is not from financial sector, they have allowed us to use their name publicly in this context. It's Walmart. Walmart has a huge IT environment, as you can imagine. They are a huge retailer, almost global retailer. They have quite a few IBMs, US-based global retailer. They have so-called web connection gateway that all of their administrators use for connecting more than 25,000 backend servers. So their environment consists of I think nowadays it's close to 30,000 server hosts. And over 5,000 server file transfers were executed with plain FTP per day. So there was a massive amount of plain FTP going on in their network. And this is where they got problems. So they started to realize that this is a real security risk, especially as one of their competitors was exposed to this risk and had to suffer a major brand loss because of a widely published security breach. So they decided to do something about it quickly. They wanted to secure FTP traffic between 5,000 Windows servers and using the transparent TCP tunneling. So what they did is they did implement the TCP tunneling functionality of SSH Tectia to automatically secure all data in transit in the gateway, from the gateway to thousands of backend hosts. So they are not only securing their file transfers, but all TCP traffic from the host by using the so-called transparent TCP tunneling feature. They also did